Changing the fan speed for your graphics card can be relatively easy. The first thing that we want to do is to download the MSI Afterburner from their official website. Now you want to search for MSI Afterburner on Google or Chrome, and basically it will then take us to the official website on which you can download the MSI program. To proceed, let's head over to our desktop, and from here, I'm going to search for MSI Afterburner. Click on the OK button, and then it will take us to the main interface. Inside the page, you have different information like your graphics card, memory, voltage, and more. Just navigate through the fan section. And if you have noticed, you cannot simply edit this out the way you want to. Now, to edit this out manually, you want to click on this specific button. This says that it's automatic, so you want to turn this off, and basically from there we can adjust the fan speed according to our preference. Of course, you can sync your fan according to your other settings for your Windows, but that's everything you need to know on how you can change your fan speed on the MSI Afterburner. This is Guide to Everything, and if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.